So Matt, what advice would you give someone who is looking to stream their next CEO town hall meeting?
That's a good question. I mean, one of the things that we often see when looking to do a CEO town hall meeting is the first place people look is to utilize the technology that they have in-house. And in some cases, especially at the upper level of the enterprise, they have tools that can help them facilitate this. Now the question is are those tools going to reach all the outcomes that someone's looking for? And by that I mean, one of the reasons that probably the reason that you're thinking about streaming your town hall meeting is that you're looking to improve engagement with your staff, right?
Exactly.
So you're looking to reach everyone at once with the same message. Your CEO's got something big to say or just wants to give the state of the nation. They're spread out, and you want to be able to get their feedback. You want to be able to understand, was this message heard? So you want to make sure that you're using a tool that can effectively track who's attended, what regions they were coming from, and what they did while they were there. And something that you know is going to be able to reach your dispersed audience, whether they're at home, on mobile devices, in an office. And so finding the right technology for that is important, and it really goes beyond the simple idea of streaming, right? Mm-hmm. You're not going to use YouTube Live to do your next CEO town hall.
I hope not.
Yeah. So now the next thing you want to look at is security. Right? Because when you're talking about streaming, regardless of if it's an internal event, is you're actually putting a message that's meant only for your employees' eyes on the internet. And you want to make sure that you're able to lock down that content so it can't easily get out. Mm-hmm. There's things that are said to employees that you don't want out in the public, especially in the media and that sort of thing. And so you want to make sure that you are able to secure your content. And the last thing is finding a partner, or partners in many cases, that you can work with who are comfortable with this type of an event. So quite often when we're doing something like this at the streaming network, we are brought together with like an audiovisual team mm-hmm. and an events team, and our role is just the technology, because that's what we do, right? We provide that technology. And it makes sense that the AV team is focusing on what happens in the room, the agency or the internal comms people are focusing on what's being said, and you've got specialists that are being focused around ensuring that technology works.